Alright, thank you for watching and clicking on this video. I finally completed these armed centipedes from The Thing, the 2011 movie. Yeah, these little guys will be hanging up somewhere in the front of my house here while I'm handing out candy with the other costume that I made prior to the Palmer costume, which I'll show later on, more than likely close to the day of Halloween on 2022. And that way you guys will be able to see it before I put it on and use it in the front yard. I will also be recording video. I do have some other new cameras that I record on the cloud, and hopefully I'll be able to get and catch some people's reactions when they come up to the door and they see me and hear me in the costume that I'll be wearing at the time. And hopefully you can get to see some of that, because you guys do definitely miss out on a lot of stuff when I do it on Halloween, and I had no good way of recording it, and I definitely had some really great reactions of people just running away, people just not wanting to go by the house, and some of them just saying as they ran away. So I can imagine now that these will assist me and do well in freaking people out and getting some really good reactions from people coming by, especially if some that may not notice it, but we'll see, because now that I have these really strong LED black lights to put up, that's going to help make these kind of pop out from where they're going to be at when I set them up. I do have like a picture in my mind what it's going to look like, and it's going to take a little bit of work, but I think it'll turn out well and look great. And you know, Halloween will be a lot of fun this year for me, especially I don't have to wear a mask. Really, you know, yeah, I'm not going to be wearing a mask this Halloween, so that's another plus as well. So, but with the materials that I had and using that clay foam, that stuff is the bomb, because it helps you in making your creature come to life. And I was able to make these come to life, you know, and it didn't take that much effort in sculpting that foam clay to make it look good. Because I mean, I could have gone in there and put some more, you know, textural details into it, but why? I'm only here just to get that jump scare, so I just needed to look like it, look close like it, not full in detailed exactly, you know. So there you go. Hope you guys like this, and you know, on your project, do the same thing. Check out the materials I got in there, and look at the techniques that I used in the other video that I had, and you'll be able to make your own. But let me ramble on a little bit more about what I did, the techniques I used, and paints that I use. So with the mixture of these techniques, airbrush, using paint brushes, and different ways of applying it with the paint brushes, along with acrylic, latex house paint, and RD407 latex mixtures, made these things pop out to look real. And then the glow-in-the-dark acrylic paint is just really making and setting the mood for these armed centipedes. So I hope if you like this video, comment below, like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and good luck on your project.